Okay, homework 8, number 8. Now we have dynamic JavaScript in my website. Here's the website. You'll see it. I'll go over it again later, but after the code, but let's go over the code. Okay, so in this code, I mostly just change sections that need to add dynamic stuff. For example, education's been changed, this top part. You'll see what I did in the JS, but essentially made it so the my education is here. It'll be imported by a function. In this part, you can add your own education stuff using this function, which I'll show you later. For skills, I really didn't want to put all of these skills into JS arrays, so I just kept them here statically. And then down here is where you can add your own skills. Again, you add skills. Here's in the function. You'll be seen. Projects, similar thing. Add projects. So revolutionary, I know. New ideas coming out of the woodworks. Resume, only thing that changed is when you click it, this button goes up. Wow. JS. I also added made this more organized, so it shows each section. So in here, download count gets updated every time you click the resume button, and that updates the number below the resume button. On education, I have my education statically in this array. And then this function here creates the education table for my education. And down here, we'll create it for whatever education you put in. Pretty simple. Like, it just uses variables and stuff and prompts. It's nothing too big. Then this is part of the project section. I just put it up here because I did it first and I forgot to move it. My bad. But this is the old function for the project deadlines. Didn't need to move it, so it stays there. So this is for skills, how you can add new skills. This top part, same with the other part, this checks if all the fields are valid and filled in. And then it's the full projects. So that's for the status. I think it was up here. I think I might have skipped over it. Apologies. I actually don't remember where I put it because I have too much stuff in here, but somewhere here, it checks the date you put in versus the date that it currently is. That it is here. I'm sorry, I'm a bit tired. This just checks it, and depending what it is, either I'm going completed. So this displays the project you put in, appends it to the end. This runs as well. Again, put in everything goes in the fields. It's really not too hard. This function's also run on load because it needs to run my stuff, so it's statically on the website. Not too big. So let's look over the website. So in the website, this table is created using that onload function. As you can see, we got fields. I don't want to take the time to think. So starting in a couple of days ends that. Boom. Amazing. Then skills. Outstanding. Same for projects.
I get some deals.
The future. It's ongoing. But I reported dates like 3rd. It's completed. There's resume button. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. And what else? Let me show you those functions a little bit more in depth. Like the this part. This trim part just it takes whatever string you put in without any other white space. So if it's not what you typed in, it deletes it. So when it gets put into the project, the table, the skills, it's not getting overflowed with white space and stuff. That's basically everything. A lot of JS. A lot of JS. But like nothing too bad, of course. Dynamic JS. It'd be so fun. All right, thank you.